another example of where we can utilize an array in a function. And in this function, in part 4, we're talking about the VLOOKUP function, very common function, and we can utilize an array in it to populate, let's say, returned values from that table. Again, using one function, we can return multiple values. So what I'd like is, based on whatever I select here, I would like it to go into this table that we've made down here, this table, and then get the name, which of course is already there, the unit price, the 50 plus discount, and the 100 plus discount. So I want a VLOOKUP function that returns 1, 2, 3, and 4 separate values. So normally I would have to set up a VLOOKUP for different times, for the different column index number. Now, if you need more information about the VLOOKUP function, please go check out my video called VLOOKUP, and that will explain enough about the VLOOKUP function. For now, we're focusing on arrays and how you can use them in this particular function. So first, I'm going to select the cells. We know with arrays, we have to select the cells, so I'm going to select F3 to F6 in this case, and then press equals. I'm going to type VLOOKUP. And the first thing I want to do is get the lookup value, so that's this value over here, comma. Then I want the table array, which is the range of my table that I want to get the information from, and that does not include the headings. And then now, now it wants me to choose the column index number. What information do I want to return from that table for this VLOOKUP? Well, in actual fact, this VLOOKUP, I want to return 4 values. In the first section, I want to return column 1. Well, I can put that in an array. So I'm going to do 1. And then I want to move down to the unit price cell. And that, so down is a semicolon. Remember, moving down is a semicolon. That unit price is in column 3 of my table. So I'm going to do 3, semicolon. Then I want the 50 plus discount. So that's in column 5, semicolon. And then the last column I want is the 100 plus discount, and that's in column 6. So what I basically said here is I said, do a VLOOKUP, take this value, go match it up with the first column in this table. That's what the VLOOKUP function does. And then in the array, I've specified return first column 1, so the product name. Then move down and return column 3, that's unit price. Then move down and return column 5, which is the 50 plus discount. Then move down and return the 100 plus discount, which is column 6. So in order for this to work, of course, as an array, I need to hold down Control-Shift, press Enter, one VLOOKUP function, return 4 separate values from the table. So arrays can be utilized in a wide variety of areas in Excel. Hopefully this set of videos about arrays has opened your eyes and you can start to use them in Excel to save you time and become more efficient.